Are you grappling with the intricacies of coding? Overwhelmed by the sea of online courses that offer more jargon than genuine learning? Say hello to Hello Coding, the final coding course you'll ever need. This is not just another coding course, it's your gateway to mastering Python, web development, machine learning, and so much more. Hello Coding is your launchpad to success, structured around 3 key pillars. First, Python fundamentals. Regardless of your coding experience, our modules are tailored to guide you, step by step, through the depths of Python. We help you unravel the mysteries of functions and decorators, and empower you to craft intricate web applications with ease. Second, we delve into the fascinating world of AI and machine learning. Ever been intrigued by how chatbots understand language, or how neural networks recognize patterns? Our comprehensive tutorials and hands-on projects demystify these technologies, sparking your creativity and innovation. The third pillar is our treasure trove of ready-to-use resources. No more sifting through the internet for code snippets and templates. With Hello Coding, you'll have everything you need at your fingertips, ready to turn your ideas into reality. So, why wait? Seize the opportunity to revolutionize your coding journey. Enroll in Hello Coding today and unlock your full potential. The future of coding awaits you.